Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial episode, I'll be guiding you through how to log into Exxon credit card accounts. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To log into Exxon credit card, go open a web browser. Once you open it, in the URL box type in Exxon credit card login, and press the enter. Click on the very first link that you see, and on the next tab you'll be taken to the sign-in page, and you use your ID in the first text field. Make sure to enter a valid user ID in order to log in. If you want the system to remember your user ID, then go and click on this box right here that says remember my user ID, so that you won't have to sign in again and again. But if you are using a public or a shared device, make sure to uncheck this box on the next field. Enter your password. Make sure to double check your password so that you'd know if you've typed it incorrectly or not. After you type in all the credentials, you can go ahead and click on the sign in button and you'll be logged into your Exxon credit card. But if you've forgotten you use your ID and don't know what to do next, go and click on retrieve user ID link right here. Similarly, if you forgot your password, then click on the reset password link right below the sign in button. That is how you can log into your Exxon credit card account. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.